Hello, everybody. Welcome to Christian Weather Broadcasting. Before we start this video, repent and put your faith in Jesus because only He can save you from hell. Alrighty, everybody, we're going to be taking a look at the Atlantic, and it is starting to heat up. It's that time of year again. We have this disturbance too. I'm It says environmental conditions appear conducive for gradual development of the system, and a tropical depression is likely to form later this week while it moves northwestward across the eastern tropical Atlantic. About 70% chance on that. We have tropical storm Emily. Luckily, that's going to weaken and stay away from land, so nothing really to worry about there. We have this tropical depression 6, not forecast to become a tropical storm at all. So Tropical Depression 6 will just stay that. It's predicted to die out. Now, we need to keep an eye on Franklin and this Disturbance 1. Disturbance 1 says, this note says that showers and thunderstorms have increased this evening and are becoming better organized in association with a trough of low pressure located in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. It says that environmental conditions appear favorable for development of this system as it moves westward at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Excuse me. Across the central Gulf of Mexico, a tropical depression or storm is likely to form as it approaches the western Gulf of Mexico coastline by Tuesday. So it says interest in the Gulf of Mexico should monitor the progress of this system. Tropical storm watches or warnings may be necessary on Monday as it for portions of southern Texas and northern Mexico coastline. So we need to keep an eye on that one. We also need to keep an eye on Tropical Storm Franklin, wind right now of 50 miles per hour. So, heavy rainfall expected to cross portions of Puerto Rico and Hispaniola through the middle of the week. Heavy rainfall may produce areas of flash and urban flooding as well as river rises and mudslides across Hispaniola. Significant and potentially life-threatening flash flooding is possible Tuesday into Wednesday. Franklin is expected to bring tropical storm conditions to portions of the Dominican Republic and Haiti, beginning on Tuesday, where tropical storm warnings are in effect. So if you live in those areas, be prepared, please, for a tropical storm. I'm not particularly concerned about the wind because, as you can see, it's not supposed to be a hurricane on landfall, though we should keep that in mind in case it does possibly turn into a hurricane. But the wind doesn't seem to be the big deal. If you live there, be prepared for flooding and mudslides. Please be safe. Wind speed probabilities right now, not very high, but I expect those to go up as this storm strengthens. So let's take a look at the GFS model. The GFS is predicting what looks like a small tropical storm going into Texas. And for Franklin, staying in tropical storm over the Dominican Republic, moving out into the ocean and strengthening into a hurricane. I could see this becoming a category 2 out in the middle of the ocean, luckily not affecting land. But for the Dominican Republic and Haiti, please keep an eye on this storm if you live in those areas. Thank you for watching. This has been Christian Weather Broadcasting.